To create a Monzo invoice, you need to have a Monzo business account. If you do not have one, you can sign up for it on the Monzo website or through the mobile app. Once you have your account set up, follow these steps to create an invoice. First, log into your Monzo business account on the website or mobile app. Navigate to the invoicing section, which can usually be found under the Business tab. Click on the Create Invoice button to start the process. Next, fill in the invoice details, including the invoice number, date, and payment terms. You will also need to add the customer's information, such as their name, email address, and billing address. Make sure to include all the necessary details, as this will help you keep track of your invoices and get paid on time. Now, add the items or services you are invoicing for. This can include descriptions, quantities, and prices. You can also add any applicable taxes or discounts. Make sure to double-check your calculations to ensure accuracy. After adding all the necessary items, review your invoice to ensure everything is correct. You can also customize the invoice template to fit your business brand. Once you are satisfied with the invoice, click the Save button to generate the invoice. You can then send the invoice to your customer via email or download it as a PDF to print or send manually. Monzo also allows you to track the status of your invoices, so you can see when they have been viewed or paid. Best practices for creating Monzo invoices include keeping accurate records, sending invoices promptly, and following up with customers to ensure timely payment. You should also keep your invoices organized and easily accessible, in case you need to refer to them later. By following these steps and best practices, you can create professional-looking Monzo invoices that help you get paid on time and keep your business finances organized.